I get this question a lot, asking if my mom knows about my channel. Nah, not yet. She just thinks I'm wasting my time on some screen for absolute no reason. And honestly, I'm letting her think that for now. I'm waiting till I hit 500k subs, so when I finally tell her I don't just show her a channel, I show her that 500,000 people supported me all the way. I show her proof that all those late nights grinding was worth it. I want to walk up and say, 500,000 of y'all believed in me before anyone did. That's why every sub matters right now. Not for clout, but so I can give my mom something real to be proud of. So yeah, if you wish to help a bro out with a single click, then hit the subscribe button. It won't cost